So before the video continues, I just want to point out that I don't think that I'm better than anyone, and I don't, I'm not trying to show off to you guys that I have 2 cars and that I'm better than you. This is all I'm trying to say. And I'm not, I feel like I'm not at most people's levels. So I just want to make that clear to you guys that I don't think that I'm better than anyone. And everybody's different in their own ways. For my from the way I see it is, I'm not where I want to be in life. So if you guys are looking at me like I'm doing better than you, I'm honestly not. We're all struggling in our ways, and we're striving to be better, and we will be better. So now that's out of the way. So another day, another dollar. Yeah, I parked next to it. Yo, what up? It's your boy Chino Hamilton. Yeah, I heard. So I just parked next to this thing. Bro, holy shit. Oh my god. He making power, I could tell. Bro, they're damn near like street slicks. Damn, boy. That boy is pimping. Oh. The street slicks. That bitch clean, I can't even lie. Got the carbon fiber up here. Holy shit. And then you just got my car next to it. One day, y'all. One day we'll get one of these. And I just made it to delivery. I wanted to show you guys the bumper on the car. Look at this house that I'm delivering to. One day, y'all. One day. I wonder how I get in. Bro, this S2000 is clean. I'm gonna show you guys more about it. Hold on. Let me get this delivery to this front house. Alright. Where is S2000? It's clean. Manual. Bro, these things are fun. I know, like this is the one car I would get over a Miata. So it's currently 3 a.m. and I know it's a late video, or it's late right now, but the grind never stops, you guys. And I'm just making a video for the channel, so I just want to grind these videos out. So we're here with the 6-speed. So I got this car in 2023 November 9th for $3,500, and then I slowly was doing work on it, and then we made it how it is today. Prior the minor imperfections, but anyways, I've had this car for a while already now, and it's kept up with everything, and it's been a good car. But now my shift is over to this car, my 3.7 full bolt-on Acura TL, flash tuned by DJ Auto Tuning. So we got to get this car basically tuned once I'm basically once I got it running, and yeah, that should be it. I basically got this car in January, on the 20th, January 20th, 2025, for $500 at a tow yard. And so that's how we are here today with 2 Acura TLs that I own. And I have the keys to this car that I got from the owner. The owner's still trying to hit me up and trying to get the car back. I have literally text, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. And then I also have videos of this car ripping around town with the previous owner. So I will play that in the next clip. But yeah, currently I'm looking for this. I'm looking for the what's it called, switch. Yeah, don't mind the tire. She's not on right now. I want to say it's in here, but I don't see it. Shit, where did I put it? Okay, I turned on my flashlight so you guys could see the car a little better. There's the bars glowing right now. It's hard to capture it right now, but you guys can see the bars. It looks so clean with the bars. So this is not the original intake to the car, but I could show you the original throttle body that goes onto this motor though. So the 3.7 head is with Kyle right now, and this is the throttle body to the 3.7 head, and then this is the normal J35 head. So it's definitely a lot completely bigger to the both of them. So we're gonna basically, I don't know if I have to clean this out a little bit, but I mean, it could use a little cleaning. And there's the Honda little thingy on the floor. You guys can see how much I've let this car to sit. It's just filled with spider webs. Type of steering wheel, Type S gauge clusters as well. I don't know if this is Type S up here, like all this, but this could be all Type S, like, stuff. And then it has the EGR blocked off. It has the spacer right there. It has a lightweight pulley. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right there. There's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna probably come back in the daytime to show you guys. But I mean, I found the part that Kyle was telling me to look for. It looks like I didn't put it in a bag. It's right here, so that's a good thing. And then this is the brake oil or brake fluid that came with this car. You guys that are TL guys, let me know if I could put this in these brakes after I hook up the Brembo brake. I just want to know if I could put this in the brakes. I mean, I could buy more, but supposedly this is what was in the car, and I'm guessing this is what the dude put in this car. But yeah, sponsored by Liquid Molly. And then we got the Liquid Molly sticker already on this car, the BC Racing coilovers, and basically this stuff is all just junk. Just all my stuff that I'm trying to sell. Currently, if anybody's in the market for a Tesla front bumper, I got one right here, $100. It's for the Model Y. So if you guys need one, let me know. So I'm gonna basically come back in the daytime with Kyle. And yeah, we're gonna get, I just want I want daytime lighting. And then we have the coils on this side, on one side already. They're kind of dirty, but I didn't really take the initiative to clean them, but it's fine. There's the Brembo brake. And I'm gonna have to put these, I'm gonna have to find probably 2 more rims for this car. And what's it called? Swap these wheels around, just so I could clear the Brembo brake, because I don't think this is gonna be clearing. But yeah, let me come back in the daytime and we'll show you guys some more. Just letting you guys know that's not orange. I know it looks orange on the camera, but it's actually supposed to be pink. All right.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.